Aero clock 2. Caution soft. I'm just assuming.
No, it's just deceptive. Just
Deceptive. This is the Spectatora. Aero clock 2.
See, this one's closer. The other way.
Yeah, that's reasonable.
Yeah,
That's
the
a
other way
2 o'clock.
wrong.
Caution long, caution down, caution soft, caution deceptive.
Hold on.
Yeah, because there's the jumps right here.
Ugh.
I can see them this way. There they are.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay,
Hashtag
so I
skip
may
sleep.
throw that chicken up.
You're right. There's a chance.
Yeah, there's a small
So
chance.
just remember, we can do this again.
Just remember that I can't roll my window down either, so when I gotta puke, it's gonna come frontwards or backwards one.
You can't roll your window down.
No, he's probably got the child lock on that too, damn it.
Oh,
Try
that's a good thing.
No, don't worry about that.
Alright. I can't see the button. I pushed it, but I don't know if it went or not.
Look.
Alright, this one's fun.
Oh, we're on the other one. We're just coming backwards.
Yep. Yeah.
Okay.
For a short portion of it.
Portion of it.
Most of it. Most, except for the shitty part, right?
Except for the shitty one.
No, we're doing back the whole entire thing of that one. Not stage 1.
Not stage 1, stage 2. Yeah, so not the shitty part.
Yeah.
Send it.
Idiot.
Oh,
That
yeah.
was a little close.
That was. I felt that.
It's that air out them tires.
I'm telling you, they did it.
It's crazy.
I don't feel it, but you know.
Station position at control. Do you have a list of our current finishers?
Alright, this is gonna I don't want to mess this up because it's going to be the slick part.
State control, station on finish. Show finished. Do we have other vehicles at this time? Yes, sir. So far, the vehicles we have that have finished is car 82, car 70, car 51, car 15, car 915,
There's deer.
car 916.
At least they're like reflective, right? You can see these deer.
Copy. We're still missing 2 vehicles.
Don't you do it, you little shit.
Well, that's the
What's in
albino.
the- yeah, we're still
There's a bunch of those.
I didn't get to see the albinos when I was up there. He's got a solid black one too.
Yeah, I've seen that one too. Actually, I think there's 2 of them because I don't think that's the same one. So we got another car that's stuck somewhere?
I don't know.
It sounded like.
If we find them, we find them. If we don't,
That's what I'm
the
thinking.
vultures will.
I was gonna say they'll find them when they start stinking.
Yeah. So summertime,
Well, that depends
or when their
on,
family starts to miss them.
I'm going to take this jacket off.
depends on what the weather's gonna be in 2 days. It might be 85. and it might be
Uh huh.
stinking.
Welcome to the South, right?
Yeah.
By the way, that picture is great because the deer is like right off your corner, and with the caption "almost got one," it makes it look like we were a lot closer to hitting that deer than we were.
What was that?
I don't know. It was in the back and it went from one side to the other. So
Just as long as it stays in the car, I think we're
Yeah.
good, right?
it's in the back. We're good. We're good.
Wow, that's a really pretty lake.
Well, you should see. You can see it at the bottom, and there's a big old fish in there.
What?
Yeah, he stocked it, and they're growing.
Okay.
So,
Car 65 has
let's
finished
his church
station.
kids come over here and fish.
Thank you very much. I believe that's going to be our last car. We have 10 finishers. Thank you very much, Stage 9 finish. And control, KL1, CA. Thanks for being here. That is 00. 00, and control.
Mm.
00, go ahead.
close to the
Copy
end.
1700. Wind control, KL1 CA.
Just go straight through that cornfield.
Yeah, just pop out the other side.
Pop out the other side. Hey guys!
How are you?
With our luck, the car's down there though, and we're like, shit, missed one.
I don't know where this finish is going to be at, so.
Oh! Woohoo!
That's where the manhole cover is. We're on the opposite side.